How to maintain your HY10E mini excavator. This video will show you the repair method for it. This machine is equipped with a 1.9-cylinder diesel engine. This position is the oil drain screw for the engine. This is the position for replacing the air filter of the engine. After changing the engine oil, add new engine oil to this position. Once you unscrew it, you will be able to see the oil gauge. The oil drain screw for the hydraulic oil of this machine is located at the bottom of the oil tank of the machine. This is the filling port for hydraulic oil. Once it is opened, you can add the hydraulic oil. During our daily use, we can check the condition of the hydraulic oil by looking at the hydraulic oil level gauge. The battery of this machine is located inside the cover on the left side of the machine. When it is necessary to add fuel, you need to push the seat forward first. After opening the seat, this is the fuel tank for refueling.